bunch of little shrubs and trees over here up on the hillside. Between these two outcroppings of rock. So I'm going to throw those in there. A couple of trees as well that I'm seeing now. So I wanted to talk about values in general when I'm working on a landscape. They are that the lightest object in your painting is likely going to be the sky. And then the second lightest object is going to be anything on land that is being touched by sunlight from above. Now keep in mind the sunlight's kind of coming in this way. So this hillside right here is going to be lit up. The top of this, where there aren't any trees, will be lit up. Now typically when you've got sun that's coming down from overhead, a mountainside is, think about it, kind of, you know, at this angle or somewhere in here, and it's not getting as much light as things that are flat on the ground. But that can change if the light angle is coming over here, and like these rocks are getting lit up quite heavily. Usually trees are the darkest thing in a painting because the light from above is, because they're vertical and they're standing up. And so that's the case here with these trees and these smaller trees here on this hill in the foreground. These are my light values. This one looks fairly light, but it's not the lightest one I have, which I'm also going to use. And that's this one here.